Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how to prepare for an MCQ exam in translation. For example, you have theoretical part and you have a practical part in the course. So you can, uh, for example, MCQ multiple choice question, read this or the following. These are just examples. Space can be defined as a word-for-word translation from one language into another. A. Communicative translation. B. Idiomatic translation. C. Calque translation. D. Free translation. According to what you have been taught in the course. Okay. So here, if this is part of your course, you are going to choose C. Calque translation. Okay. Number two, space is a state in which all parts or ideas fit together to form a unified whole. Text type, coherence, cohesion, or equivalence. Exactly, if you think, you can see that it is coherence. All ideas fit together, unified whole. Okay. Number three, space is related to the content, overall structure, clarity, and style of translation. Editing or proofreading or paraphrase or equivalence. Related to content, overall structure, clarity, and style of translation. This is editing. Number four, space is related to surface errors, misspelling, mistakes in grammar and punctuation. Editing or proofreading or paraphrase or equivalence. Yes, proofreading. The underlined phrase in the following sentence can be translated as conversation, discourse, dialogue, chat. الجملة هي الحوار بين الحضارات كان ولا يزال الركيزة الأساسية تطور الحضارات الإنسانية وتحتها خط كلمة الحوار. اختار conversation, discourse, dialogue, chat. Yes, dialogue. The underlined phrase in the following sentence can be translated as الكلمة التي تحتها خط 10 عصفور في اليد خير من 10 على الشجرة. طبعا دي مش ترجمة حرفية هنا في الكورس لو درسته we will take two لأن المثل الإنجليزي a bird in hand worth two in the bush. The following sentence number 7, the following sentence can be translated as الجملة هي هذا الشبل من ذاك الأسد. في 4 اختيارات، في طبعا ترجمة حرفية وفي ترجمة حرة. تقرأ الأربع ترجمات هتكتشف إن أفضل واحدة فيهم like father like son. ممكن تأتي قطعة كاملة وفي بعض المفردات تحتها خط ويسألك read the following Arabic text and choose the English translation of the underlined words. تقرأ القطعة كاملة، تنظر إلى الكلمات التي تحتها خط المفردات الصناعية. يسألك هنا the best translation of the phrase المفردات الصناعية is ويجيب لك 4 اختيارات artificial vocabulary, products, manufactured unit, parts. Yes, manufactured unit. مش ترجمة حرفية. manufactured units. The best translation of the conjunction فإن. هنا في كلمات مثلا فإن أهي تحتها خط. أفضل ترجمة ليها because يعني zero ولا كلمة. as in addition. Yes. 5. 0. The best translation of the word مستودعات. مستودعات, houses, tanks, warehouses, buildings. The best one, warehouses. The best translation of the conjunction على الرغم من, as, accordingly, despite, and despite. يبقى ده الشكل اللي بتأتي فيه الأسئلة على الأجزاء النظرية أو الأجزاء التطبيقية في الترجمة. يعني ممكن يجي سؤال من نفس التعريفات والشرح، ممكن يأتي سؤال في جملة وتختار الترجمة السليمة. في سؤال آخر مرتبط بصح وخطأ true or false question. Okay. For example, let's take number 1. The metaphor cannot be kept in translation if the receptor language permits. You read it, you understand, and you decide true or false. Yes, it is false. Number 2, Arabic does not seem to be more in favor of lexical repetition. اللغة العربية لا تفضل التكرار. طبعا جملة خطأ. False. The good translation shouldn't consider the implied meaning in the text. Yes, false. Word choice is important in the target text. True. The essence of translation is to transfer meaning from one language into another. Transfer meaning? Yes, true. Equivalence is less important concept in translation. No, false. The more translator is aware of differences between culture, the better a translator he or she will be. This is true. Okay, so this is the way we have, or to prepare for MCQ exam in translation. Thank you.